Welcome to beautiful country living. This gorgeous, well-maintained paradise boasts 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a full basement. Additionally, this property includes a 2-car attached garage and a 42 by 48 pole barn, all situated on 10 private acres. Relax under the covered front porch and listen to the birds sing, or lay out under the sun on the deck next to the pool during the summer. Inside on the main floor, you'll find the laundry room, large eat-in kitchen, family room, a large master suite with garden tub and dual vanities, along with an additional bedroom. Curl up with a good book in the 4-season room located directly off the dining area and enjoy the perfect view. Upstairs, you'll find 2 spacious bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a functional loft space. The basement holds 2 extra large storage rooms and 2 finished areas that are perfect for a media room, gym, or office. With plenty of space both inside and out, this home still has room to grow and accommodate. This move-in ready charmer anxiously awaits to impress you and become the space where you create new memories for years to come. If you're interested in this amazing property, call Justin Longartner to learn more.